mom got this hair. I did it. And if you want to have amazing hair like my mom, go check out the video. Hey guys, my mom just washed your hair and with Rizos curl shampoo and conditioner. Now I'm going to seal my mom's hair. My mom has some nuts. I'm going to use this spray to get rid of them. Oh look, the nuts are gone. Now I'm going to use this Rizos curl defining cream. Mom, can you please straighten out your hair?
You got it.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Now I'm going to rake it in. Now lastly, I'm going to use the light cool gel on my mom's hair. And this is my mom's Rizos curl results.
High five.